Hiya, I'm Gareth from Old Faithful, and I just wanted to drop by today to chat about chamomile, the herb, how we can use it, the best way to use it and what it's good for. I'll try to keep this really short. Now, when you think about chamomile, think about soothing, calming, and anti-inflammatory. So however you use it, whether it's purchasing the dried flowers, which we sell on our website, here they are. They smell lovely and relaxing. Use the essential oil in the house for burning or in skincare, or in the massage oil, for example. You can use a hydrolat or hydrosol, which is the water, which is great for kids, young infants and babies. There's macerated oil, where you macerate the flowers, the dried flowers, into oil. I'm doing an experiment with this at the moment. It's a great home DIY experiment for budding aromatherapists or herbalists out there. And the tinctures, which are the alcohol-based infusions. So anyway, it's the most widely consumed herb in the world, and supposedly over 1 million cups of chamomile tea are drunk every day. And when you drink it, it's going to have a lovely soothing and calming effect on the body and an anti-inflammatory benefits on the system. So it's great for any digestive issues or any stomach or liver inflammation. It's good for things such as colitis, cystitis, or diarrhea. And it's really good for menstrual pain and discomfort. There's been a number of studies done on that. So drinking just the tea, I'm drinking the iced tea here today, which is good and nice on a summer's day. It's great for that. And one of the reasons, it has an energetic influence over the solar plexus, which is the main nerve in the stomach area, which has a large effect on the rest of the body also. Okay, so that's just drinking the tea. And you can also use the cold tea in a compress for a headache, or for a compress for the eyes using cotton pads, which is great obviously for hay fever, and it's a natural antihistamine as well, so it's great for hay fever normally. And for the skin, you can use the essential oil or the hydrolat, the floral water, which is in some creams, both the essential oil and the water's not so much. To treat things like eczema and psoriasis and dermatitis, or for generally inflamed skin, broken capillaries, things like that. And as I said, it's brilliant for children and babies, especially. I've treated dermatitis on young infants and babies just using the water to really good effect. Yeah, so that, I think that will do it. I mean, the simplest way to use it and the cheapest way to use it is buy a little bit of essential oil. It's not the cheapest essential oil, but it's grown in this country amongst other places. And burn it around the house. And as I really like the scent myself, or you can mix it with blend it with lavender, and it has a lovely calming effect. So it's great for hyperactive kids. You can give them a little bit of iced tea, or just burn the essential oil and it'll help to calm them down. So thanks for listening today. I hope you've enjoyed the information. Cheers.